I'm going to teach you how to add cookies on Weebly. If you want a simple, compliant way to let visitors manage their data preferences, adding a cookie banner is the right move. We'll walk through the process from grabbing the banner code to publishing it so it appears across your entire site. First, get a cookie banner script. A cookie banner script is a small piece of code provided by a consent tool that displays the notice and records user choices. Choose a reputable provider that fits your needs, generate your banner there, and copy the embed code they give you. It usually starts with a script tag. Keep that snippet handy because we'll paste it into your site in just a moment. Next, open your site editor. Sign into your Weebly account, choose the website you want to update, and click to edit it. You should land in the visual editor where you normally manage your pages and content. If your site is connected through Square, you still access the Weebly editor from your dashboard and then proceed the same way. Now, go to Settings, then SEO. In the left-hand sidebar, select Settings, and in that area, open the SEO section. You'll see fields for header code and footer code. The header code box is designed for snippets that need to load on every page as the site starts to render, which is ideal for a consent banner so it can manage cookies before other scripts run. Paste the script in header code. Click inside the header code field and paste the entire snippet exactly as you copied it, including the opening and closing script tags. If you already have other code there, you can place the banner script at the top to help it load early. Avoid editing anything inside the snippet, and don't put it in the footer code box unless your provider explicitly says so. When you're done, scroll down and save your changes if a save option appears. Finally, click Publish. Publishing pushes your new header code live across your site. After publishing, open your website in a new browser tab. If you don't see the banner right away, refresh the page, try a private or incognito window, or clear your cache. Check a couple of different pages to confirm it appears everywhere. If it still doesn't show, revisit Settings, SEO, and make sure the code is in the header field and was pasted completely. That's it. With the script in your header and your site published, your Weebly site will display a cookie banner and record visitor choices. Remember to review your privacy policy so visitors can learn more about how you use cookies.